Hi stamping friends, Melissa Kerman here with Melissa's Crafting Treehouse. Today I have some quick tips for you to alter or custom color your glitter enamel dots. So what you see in front of you is the glitter enamel dots from the old catalog. These are actually retired, and there are new colors in the big new catalog. But that being said, they may not be the colors that you want. So if the dot is actually a light color, you can simply color over it with a blends alcohol marker. But if you want to remove the color altogether and get a clear dot to play with, you can remove the backing, which is what provides the color for the dot. And one of the ways to get that backing off is to just sort of pick at it with your paper piercing tool. And you can see it's a little bit cumbersome because it's kind of hard to hold. But the other really cool way to get that backing off is to just take the glitter enamel dot, put it against a piece of paper, press really hard, and then the adhesive of that little colored backing will actually pull off onto the paper. So it's actually quite easier than doing what I've showed you here in front of you. But you can see that that little piece of paper is colored, and that's what makes the glitter enamel dot a color. So I have it now on my on a glue dot there. I took the clear one and put it on a glue dot, and I'm just going to pull it off. And now I'm going to get to the coloring. So I want to see what it looks like on my project just with the plain, clear look. And it does look really pretty, but I wanted to have colors of each of the centers that would coordinate with each of the dream catchers. So I played around with a couple different ways to color the glitter enamel dot. One was just to use a alcohol marker, a blends alcohol marker. So what I did was I took the Cherry Cobbler blends alcohol marker and went ahead and colored one of the dots. Now I'm coloring one that actually has a tiny bit of color to it, so you don't actually have to take the back off if you're coloring with a blends that's darker. So there's my first one, and it looks almost pink even though I used the Cherry Cobbler. So I'm going to use that one on the dream catcher that's on the left. So for the other two dream catchers, I used the light pumpkin pie blends alcohol marker and the rich raspberry light blends alcohol marker to color the enamel dots for the centers of those dream catchers. But there's yet another way that you can add some color, particularly if you want it to be the exact same color that you've used on your card. So some of the glitter enamel dots are exactly the same size as a standard hole punch. So here I've punched out a gorgeous scrape circle with my hole punch, and next to it you see the clear enamel dot that I took the backing off earlier. And I'm just going to take a little bit of the multi-purpose Tombow glue, dab it on the back as you can see here, and then I'm going to use my brand new Take Your Pick tool to pick up my glitter enamel dot and place it onto the punched circle. Now the Tombow glue will start off white, but it will dry clear, and then you can really see the gorgeous color of the gorgeous grape through the glitter enamel dot. So here's the final version of my card, and I hope you enjoyed my little tip today, and try it out yourself, and I hope you have a great day. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day, and happy crafting!